Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your account with Mint easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your account with Mint, begin by navigating to the Mint website or opening the Mint app on your device. Locate the sign in option at the top right corner of the home page. Click on sign in to access the login page. If you cannot remember your password, look for the forgot password link below the password entry field. Click on the forgot password link. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Mint account. Type in your email address and press the continue button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Mint. If you don't see the email, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the link provided for resetting your password. You will be redirected to a new page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Once you have entered your new password, click on the Reset Password button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. Now return to the Mint login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Mint's customer support for assistance. You have now successfully reset your Mint account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.